Hey guys, welcome back to another video and no Facecam today. And we're going to try and use WASD today instead. I always use the arrows and I'm still going to use those to like move and stuff, so let's get started. Okay. Oh. Is this the exact same as the original one? Don't tell me they have the exact same levels as the regular speedrun 4. Oh my god, I almost died. This music is copyrighted. I gotta turn it down. Oh my god. This music, I cannot keep this in the video. It's copyrighted. Oh. These are like similar to the levels in Speedrun 4. What are they on? Oh my god. Okay. Jeez. Crap. WASD is a lot harder than the arrows. At least I can still use them to move around. They have the exact same, like, ideas as the original one. Epic Yarn? That's the exact same. Oh my god, it's level 3 in the original game. I'm starting to feel like they just are copying ideas. I want to use the arrows so bad. I'm much better using those instead of the WASD keys. Oh my god. No. This level is so hard. How do they expect me to make that jump? Jesus. Also, by the way, I wonder why I've been gone for so long. But the reason I've been gone for so long, well, not too long, but a little, I haven't been here with a gaming video in a while, is because I haven't felt good the last few days. I did tell you the Facecam might die down in a few days, but my mic fell on my hand. This is so hard, and my hand is getting tired from having to keep it down on the W key. Okay, this is where I gotta concentrate. No! I'm using the arrows, that's it, I'm done. This is ridiculous. WASD is so hard. You see, I'm going a lot easier now with them. That was my phone. Also, you were originally going to get a Geometry Dash video yesterday. But my dang phone kept stopping the recording, so I couldn't do that for you guys. Did you guys just see that? Okay, get back to WASD. I died. Okay, I kind of used the arrows a little bit right there. I died. I'll be right back, guys. We're back, guys. Let's go. Oh, God. This is so hard. This is way harder than Speedrun 4. Again, I'm sorry about No Facecam. Didn't really feel like doing that today. You just gotta, like, climb this. I got Volcanic Valley and then Epic Yarn. Oh, God. See, this is exactly like the original level. It's just a little upgraded. I like Speedrun 4 better. I don't really like using WASD. It's kind of really hard, and I went through a dead end. So I'm really sorry I did that. I'm just gonna use the arrows. I'm sorry, guys. It's too hard with it. And WASD. Did you just see that? I think that happens every time you go on a wall. And there is the end of the map. Yeah, this is exactly like the original level. It's a little upgraded. I mean, Verse made the original speedrun game. I'm not even sure if there's an original speedrun 1. I'm sure that. Give me 1 second. Yes. Anyways. Yeah. Well, I don't even know. I don't even remember what I was saying before. No! It was right there and I fell. Heads up, because there might be some more ASMR videos. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. So if you want to see some more ASMR videos, I might do those. So stay tuned for that. I might do those after this video uploads. Yes. Ignore that. Get out of here. Oh my God, hang on. This level looks crazy, but it looks also really pretty. It's like a mix of the regular level and like a new level combined. There's a lot of spots we can choose to like jump onto. Where's the end? Where's the end of the freaking level? all the way over there? I really don't recommend to play this game, guys. It's so hard. No! Also, you're probably asking, why don't I record with Brayden anymore? That's because that's probably not a good thing to say, but he plays Roblox with some new people now. You know, I might start a channel with him, he might start his channel, and I might help him with it. So, if he does start his own channel, you'll see videos with me and him on there. You won't see videos with me and him on here, probably not. But, you might, but probably not. Those videos with me and Brayden might just go on Brayden's channel if he makes that. Cause I'm talking Brayden into making one. Yeah, I still talk to him. He's my brother. No! That's the second time that's happened. That's so embarrassing. I don't even know. I don't really recommend to play this game at all. Also, I have a bad cough. Just, sorry if that sounded nasty. This level is so long. That was my hair. I had an itch. Why do I keep I'm gonna rage soon. I don't want to rage on camera. I might rage. Cause I just keep dying. But it doesn't show how long you've been on this level. I once raged so hard on the other game on level 29. It's H-E-L-L. That's what level 29 is. Yes, finally. This just looks like a copy of one of the Massive Speedrun 4. Just easy. Just kind of easier. I don't really like this level. Am I still using WASD? No, it's too hard. Oh, there's someone Russian here. No! How did I'm gonna rage soon. Anyways, that might have, the recording's about to end, so I guess, alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you'd like to, please give a like, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!